Now we will check condition supplement. Now condition supplement is an important and interesting feature in SAP. Let me just take you to VA03, open up the sales order. So far we have actually, this is not our sales order that we created. Never mind, I didn't save the earlier sales order, so we can make use of this sales order now. So far we have actually seen the discount amount based on the definition in the pricing procedure, but the problem with this type of discount calculation is that the discount will be flat for any price or quantity that we enter. Let's say one fine day we have a requirement whereby we need to apply or give a specific discount if the price of the material is $100. How can we do that? We can't do it with using the normal condition types. What I mean by special condition is something like this. Normally when we give discount, we give discount flat for any material price. Let's say the material is priced at $10. We give 10% discount. If material is $20, we give the same 10% discount, because the discount specified in the pricing determination is flat across all the material prices. But one fine day, if we have a requirement to actually give a special discount, material only if the material price is $100, we need to give a 20% discount, because for not all customers will get the same selling price for the same material. Probably certain customers will get it at $10, $20 and so on for bulk purchases. If a customer is buying only one unit of a certain material, we cannot sell it at a bulk price. We have to actually give it at a very high price because it's not a bulk purchase. So when the good is sold at the bulk price, we are generous enough to give a 20% discount. Okay, only if the material price is $100 we give 20% discount. So if you look at our normal pricing procedure, there's no way we can do this. Let me just take you there. Let me show you the problem. Go to Sun. If you look at this, our discount here is flat. Whether it's $10, $20 or $100, is going to get a discount of whatever we specify in the condition record. There's no way I can tell here that for material price $100 we need to give a 20% discount. This is why we need a condition supplement. Let me show you how we can achieve this using condition supplement. We go to condition record, VK11. We pull out our price, change and go to material, change. If the material price is $100, I'm going to give a discount of, we cannot choose this because the system will determine the price from here, so we need to use this. Okay, for this customer we are selling the price as $10, right? So if this customer is buying the price for $100, I'm going to give a special discount. So how am I going to do that? I create another condition record and put $100 here and highlight it. I can't highlight. Let me just go to condition supplement. The condition is being processed in the current session. Oh, I can't actually enter duplicate price, so let me just quit this and go to change. So we cannot enter $100 here again for the same material 1247. We need to use a scale instead. So just highlight this and go to scales. So if the customer buys up to 10 quantity, we are giving a price of $10. If the customer buys up to 30 units, the price will be $100. So this is where we need to give the condition supplement. Oh yeah, the system is saying that it doesn't make sense to sell it at a higher price if the customer orders in bulk. So let us make it this way. So if the customer orders 30 units, the price will be $10, and if the customer orders 10 units, the price will be $100. This makes more sense for scales. Scales is just a table for us to maintain different price levels for different order quantity. So using this table, we can maintain a specific price based on the order quantity that you see on the left hand side. So that's what I'm going to do now. So if the customer orders 10 units, the price will be $100. So I'm going to create a condition supplement now. Amount must be, yes, this is $100 and this should be $10. This makes more sense because if he orders 30 units, the price should be lower, and if he orders 10 units, the price should be 100. I don't know why the system is throwing an error now. Oh, okay, I think the way we have to maintain the scale quantity should be incremental. So let me maintain this here first. It should be incremental, 10, 20. That's what the system is prompting us. Now let us go to condition supplement. For $100, if the customer buys it at $100 because he orders a lower unit, we are going to give a 20% discount. So we pull out the discount. We can't see our discount ZDs here because of one reason. Let us go to condition type. In the condition type, set sun. This is the pricing procedure for condition supplement. As you can see here, the system uses this pricing procedure to control the use of condition supplements. So in this pricing procedure PR0000, if we go and have a look, this is what you can see, KAARARB0, that's what is coming up here, and that's why we can't see our Z discount condition type. So it's very simple. We have to just copy this and create our own pricing procedure for condition supplements. Z sun condition supplement. Z sun, and save it. Copy all entries. Yeah, clear this because it doesn't exist, and change this to set sun and press enter. We shouldn't be copying all. Let me just click this, cancel it. Let me just go in here, change this to set this, and press enter. Alright, we can save this. So we copy this and we will assign it to our condition type now. 19 condition types. Go to Z sun, double click, replace this with this, and save it. Alright, let's go and recreate now. We need to quit all the way. PK 11 sun, click OK. Go to change mode, execute, select this, go to scales, enter 10, $100, 30 will be $10, and select this and go to supplement, condition supplement, because we're going to maintain the condition supplement for $100. Let us see, this is coming here now. Okay, we're going to give 20% discount if the price is $100, and save it. Condition record has been saved. Let me display it. For $100 we have a condition supplement or 20%, and let me go to scales. Under the scales I can see the $10 here for 30 units, but here in the front screen you can only see the first price because there's no table here to show all the prices. But once you see this check boxes here, scales, you should understand that there is a scale exists. So you highlight this and just go into scales to see all the prices at all levels. And there's also a checkbox here because there is a condition supplement, which means that you can go to condition supplement for this, where you can see 20% discount if the price is $100. Now based on this, let us go and create a sales order. For the same customer, one two four seven, the 10. Let us see what is since I'm ordering 10 units, the price determined is $100, because if you look at our scale, go to scales, if it's 10 units, the system will pick up $100. Let us enter 30 units, see whether the system will pick up $10. Change it to 30 units. Go here, the system will take $10. Yeah, if the order quantity is 25, which price will it take? It will still take $100, because this table means once the order quantity has reached 30 and onwards, the price will be 10. If it's below 30, the price will still be $100. Let me prove this to you. I'm going to change to 25 units, press enter and check what is the price. Is $100. So let me enter 29 units, it will still be $100. Because it has not reached $30 yet, 30 units yet. So now let me enter 30 units now, the price will become $10, because it has reached this level now. That's how we use scales to give quantity level discount. And when the price is $10, it's taking two discounts here. Oh, we have a problem. Update price, because earlier it has retrieved the discount once and it's giving two discounts now. Let me just cancel this, go in again, so choose 1247 and 10. Now let us check what is the discount taken for $10 first. 30 units, enter 10 30, go to this one. It's taking both the discounts. This shouldn't happen here. Let me go to analysis. Conditions is taken from condition supplement for set sun, and the 20% condition supplement for set sun is taking 10%, but we have maintained the condition supplement for $100. Let me just check what's happening here. Because it's showing 10% here. It could be because we haven't changed ZT's condition supplemental pricing procedure. Let us change that as well. Set this still pointing to the old one. Let's save this. Now let me redetermine the prices. 01. Enter 10. Let me go here. No scales exist. Condition record has been found. Condition supplement for set sun. But we must find a way to actually drop the 10%, because we can't be giving two discounts for this customer. Some discounts 10%. Okay, I think I know the problem. The problem is here. Let us go to change. Go to scales and go to this $10 condition supplement. %. %% is given here, so if I were to double click this, I'll get a scale quantity here. So based on this, I can actually filter the discount percentage given based on the scales we have. So just come here. So for scale quantity of 10, when the amount becomes $100, we want to give a discount of 20%. So what we do, we go to condition supplement, double click on this, enter scale quantity of 10 units and the discount will be 20%. Okay, let us see now. Go to scales, go to condition supplement, if I double click on sun discounts, I can see a scale quantity. Okay, now let us see whether this will work. Press enter. 1247 and 10 units, so I should be getting 20% discount. Still the same. Let me just check this. I'm going to go to change, I'm going to go to the scales again. I go to condition supplement. $100 is 20%. Well, the 10% is still coming there. That is a problem. So if I enter 35, let me just check. If I enter 35, what would be the discount? I'm still getting all the discounts. Okay, I found the reason why the system is not excluding redundant discount. I'm going to show it to you, but before that, let me just recap the way how we have to maintain 20% discount for $100 price is you need to double click on this, enter the scale quantity of 10 units, and you specify the discount amount as 20%, because only when the order quantity is 10 the customer is going to get $100 price, because as per our scale here we have specified as such 10 order units will get a price of $100, 30 order units will get a price of $10. So we want to specify a discount of 20% only for material price of $100 and 10% for material price 10 and 20. So if you want to define this, you have to use this scaling. Just go to condition supplement. Once you come to condition supplement, you can see the discounts here. Double click on it and enter 10 unit. Up to 10 units you're going to give a discount of 20%, and after 10 units up to 20 units you're going to give a discount of 25, just for example. So let me save this. I think this example is not matching our training now. It's okay. This example is just a preliminary example to explain the topic, but just take note that I'm not following this example in my training now. Scale quantity 20 units will get a discount of 25%. Just save it. On the other hand, let me just tell you one more thing. If you want to provide the discount based on fixed amount instead of quantity, you have to do some changes here. Over here, set sun, you have to change this to value scale, so that based on a amount scale, $100 or $200, I can give a discount. But currently, since the discount is quantity scale, quantity scale is used. Sorry, not here. We have to go to Z discount condition type. Yeah, here under the Z this condition type, we have to change this to value scale, so that we can give the discount ranges based on the dollar value of the sales order line item instead of the quantity. But since quantity scale is chosen here, we can only enter the discount percentage based on the quantity scale. This is what is shown here. Quantity scale is C. If we have chosen B, we can actually enter amount range, let's say $100 or $200, and give the discount accordingly. And the check that we normally get when we enter 20 here and 10 here in the reverse order is actually being determined by this check, descending, ascending. So you can actually change this to descending or ascending to reorder this scale quantity. If I want to enter 20 here and 10 here, I just need to use ascending B. Alright, now let us save this. VA01, go to sales order, enter 1247, order quantity, let me see, 10. I'm going to enter 10 so that I can trigger 20% discount. Press enter, go in. Okay, I can see a 20% discount here, and the price determined is based on the scale that we have entered. But this discount from the pricing procedure is still being displayed, right? Let us learn how to disable this. Switch it off. You have to come to the condition type ZDIS, which is here. I'm sure you know the path. We have been here many times. Cell distribution, mask, basic functions, pricing, condition types. Go to the ZDIS condition type, open it up, use this condition exclusion indicator here. This condition exclusion indicator is a very useful tool when we use condition supplement. What the system will do is that if you set the indicator exclude conditions, the system will actually take the condition from condition supplement and decide the best not to say decide the best, you will just take the condition from condition supplement and exclude the condition which is determined during pricing. So this is what we want. We're going to set this to 0. This is actually freely definable. Let me just show you. These are just codes. Just press F1 and go to customizing. This is just a freely definable code. Choose this go in here, see this, you can define anything you want. If I double click, nothing comes up. So if you want a new code, just enter a new code here and save it. It's a freely definable codes, you can choose whichever you want, doesn't really make a difference. So I'm going to choose 0 and press save, so that this condition will be turned off when the condition supplement, when the condition is being determined from the condition supplement. So we don't have duplicate conditions here. To see the difference, go all the way out and recreate a sales order. Press enter. Press enter. Choose the customer. Go to 1247. Order quantity is 10. Press enter and go into condition. You can see only one discount is shown, and the discount which is determined from the pricing is no longer there. This is how you want to turn off the additional discount which is determined during the pricing procedure. So this condition now is being determined from the condition supplement. Let me show you. See this condition supplement, and condition supplement was a set sun. So this message is saying that the condition is supplied from the condition supplement. Good. Now let us try to trigger this 25%. I just need to change the quantity to 20 and it will be changed. Go in, you can see 25% now, and the price will still be 100 because I've entered 20 units. If I check the scaling for the price, if I enter up to 20 units, the price will still be 100. Only from 30 units and onwards the price will be $10. But if I enter 30 units, what will be my discount? It will still be 25% because 30 is greater than 20. Let us see that. I'm going to enter 30. So let me tell you, discount is going to be 25% and the price will be $10 because it's 30 and onwards. Go in condition, see the price has become $10 and the discount is 25%, which is what I told you just now. What happens if I enter order quantity of 5 units? What will be my discount? You'll hit error because our discount is being counted from 10 and onwards. So the minimum order should be 10 in order to get this discount. And so as the price, since our price is starting from 10 units and onwards, if I enter 5, the system will not be able to find a price. Let me show you. I'm going to enter 5, press enter. There will be no price or no discount. This is the problem. Says condition record. Okay, so this is how you can play with the condition supplement to actually give different range of discounts and prices based on the scales. It's a powerful tool indeed. If you want to give a flat price of not necessarily you need to use a scale. Actually you can give a flat discount regardless of what the scale is. If we can ignore the sales and just go here, maintain the condition supplement regardless of the scale, you can also do that. But it doesn't make any sense to me to actually do it without a scale, because if I want to do it without a scale, I can use a discount which I define in my pricing procedure, so that will be sufficient. In the pricing procedure itself, I can define a discount condition and use it there. I don't have to come and define it here when I create the condition record. Only in the event I want to use a scale, I can actually define a discount condition in the condition record, because I can take advantage of the scale that is available in the condition record to give different discounts. The scale is not available in pricing procedure. If you take a look at the pricing procedure will apply the discount flat across any value. There's no way we can specify a scale unless, let me take you to the pricing procedure and continue what I was saving. See here, it is flat discount regardless of scale. If I want to apply a scale in the pricing procedure itself, I need to use complex above coding using the calculation type and condition base condition calculation, and derive a complex hard-coded scaling in the above coding itself if I want to do that. But it will try to avoid above coding as much as possible. So therefore we can make use of the condition record scaling there in order to achieve what we want to achieve. So there are other options to actually specify a discount based on scale, to actually write the above code and assign it in the calculation type and base type here. But that is will not be a good practice. It's not part of the